Today has really been the first sunny day since these irises started to show signs of blooming. And so I've got a couple handfuls out here today that are opening up. Very nice. Fifi's gonna walk through in a second. Hi, Fifi. Do you like the purple irises, Fifi? Aren't they nice? I bet you want to attack them. Yeah? And just, most of them are right here. There's 3 or 4 opening up out there. Very nice. And then I have some here that look like, oh, the sun is in my screen so I can't see it. I don't know, it looks like they might be white. There's one. There's another one. I don't know what color these are going to turn out to be. That'll be interesting to see. I think that cardinal song is making Bob sleepy. That and the sun. It's pretty chilly this morning. It's in the probably mid to high 40s. It'll get warmer later, but it got down to almost 30 last night, so we're still not out of the danger zone as far as frosts go. Probably very close. Oh, and these birds have been destroying that bird feeder. When I first put it out and filled it up, it took like a week and a half before they emptied it. And now I think that's like, it's almost empty, and today is like the 3rd day. So they have discovered the bird feeder. Well, hello there. That's Fifi's new favorite spot, right under the bird feeder. Three giant boxes Yes, please. These have staples in them, so that'll be a little bit of work taking the staples out, but they're giant boxes. The first snake on the homestead. And it's colorful. And I think it's dead. And I'm going to go try to identify it right now. Low-flying helicopter. What I've got going on here is coneflower, echinacea. I've got these, I've already got those perennials going out here at the front of my driveway. So I'm just going to put a row of the coneflowers, echinacea, behind it. A layer of really old hay. Then I'm going to cover this with newspaper and put some fresher hay on top. And I'll start the coneflower seeds indoors and stick them in the newspaper once they are hardened off and ready to go. What's up, ladies? They just discovered there's bird feed underneath the bird feeder. So that's probably not a good thing. I'll put a box under there. I got boxes. Number three is still over there. Number three. That's the wrong kind of bird feed, number 3. Oh, I chased her over to her friends. Chickens ready to, are you, no, okay, you can dig through the outskirts. Okay. And this is how we do it at Bobblehead Homestead. We do what we can with what we have. I forgot that after I raked it, and the only reason I raked it was because there's glass and plastic and aluminum cans and all kinds of stuff right there at the ground level. So I raked all that junk to the sides. I'll have to go through that later and get that out of there. But Okay, yeah, so I raked it. I put down like 3 cups full of lime. Not full, maybe like half full. So like 1.5 cups of lime. And a layer of older hay, cardboard, a layer of newer hay. There was some older stuff in there, but that'll work. And I have no idea what I'm going to grow there yet. It's kind of a big bed, so I'll have to put a aisle. Yeah, I don't know. Depends on what I grow there. But yeah, getting that out of the way, and looks like the hens are loving it. Do not know. Oh, I saw this cool little yellow bird, but I wasn't fast enough with the camera. And that blue bird and his wife, Mr. Blue and Mrs. Blue. I see them all together. Yeah, the tree's right here where their nest is at. But I see them every day. I haven't seen that sapsucker today. Usually I see it every day. I saw Bruce Suter, the cardinal. He was around earlier. And it's been a great day. It's only like, it was chilly. It was in the 40s this morning. Last night it got down to like mid to low 30s. And it's probably 60 something right now. So I had to take off my long sleeve shirt finally. And getting stuff done. 1 more garden bed, 2 more garden beds. Well, that one I'm gonna wait. I'm only gonna use newspaper on that one, not cardboard. And it's supposed to rain either Thursday night or Friday. So I'll probably wait and put the newspaper down when it's raining. That just saves me a step of having to wet the newspaper before I put it down. So I'll probably, and it's not a very big patch at all, so I'll probably just do that while it's raining. You know, nature's shower. As long as my neighbors don't drive by. No, I don't garden naked. Although that is coming up, May 5th. I hope it rains that day so I can get a good shower in. All right, I'm just being silly. Have a good one.